Step inside, if you dare. Tonight, you are trapped inside the crypt of Efteling Danse Macabre. Look all around you. You decide where your eyes must rest. But be warned, what you see may not wish to be seen. Prepare yourself for the macabre dance. The performance begins. Hold on to your soul, dive into a fully immersive 360-degree experience. Move your smartphone to look around. For the ultimate 360 degrees immersion, use a VR headset. Danse Macabre. In 360 degrees. Look closely now. You are treading the cursed ground where the legendary Spookslot once stood. For over 4 decades, that haunted castle claimed souls. What you witness now is its chilling echo. Observe the music box. It marks the secret stage where the Spookslot ballet once performed. A forgotten piece of death circles beneath us. Take your seat. The stalls await. The bells are chiming.
Can you feel the cold rising from below?
You are part of the dance now. Watch your step. Look out. They are dancing only for you.
Curse lifts for now.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. see you next time.